Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So, today we are here at Marriott Hotel in Kuwait City and I'm going to show you guys our room. So, let's go.
Oh, I'm from Albania.
You're not from Albania.
Let's open.
This is a deluxe, no, darling?
Yeah, I don't know what the room is.
Eli.
So, kakabalik lang namin.
Yeah, we just arrived
And,
from dinner.
yeah.
So, what do you want to do
And
first?
when you enter, there's the left side. We have the bathroom. And this is where we take a bath, obviously. This is my fit. I like it. And then we have a sink. I like the tiles. Then we have the
Dalawa na
toilets.
naman yung inodoro.
Yeah, like in Atlanta. And then we have the bathtub
That's
where
a
my brother
bathtub.
loves staying. And we have a robe there, which is
It's quite small. It's quite small.
yeah, it's quite small, but it's big enough for my family and I.
Yes, correct.
Because our budget is small.
Yeah, it's quite small because we don't have budget.
Yeah.
I'll
And
go.
then we have the mirror here, and we have a closet with our clothes, but we're not gonna go there because our clothes are there. And then we have a place to put out how there are like abstract paintings. Like there are also abstract paintings there. And then we asked them to give us twin beds, so I'm gonna stay here and sleep with my brother, and the mom and dad's bed is over
Punta ako sa
there.
basement.
And then we have a nightstand here, and like someone cleaned our room, so they
What else?
they're like clean here. But yeah, and then we have a TV, and I like the TV because it's a smart TV. Because you know, not all hotels is a smart TV, so it's nice. We just have some storage here, and then they have a mini fridge, like every hotel has. Yeah, and then over here we have the desk area with the
Hindi niya binuksan yung
coffee.
ilaw.
And then we have a special feature, and the curtains open by itself. Okay, I'll say, handsome, open the curtains. So yeah, but this is the view of our hotel. We have a
City
front
view.
of the swimming pool, and then there's roads there. There's a police car there.
Oh, overview of the pool.
And then for the lobby, the roof, it's on the second floor, so we can see it. And because we can see it, because the roof is made out of glass.
Yeah. Mahirap kasi nagre-reflect sa.
Yeah, I guess.
But morning it's a nice view.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's our view. And then the last place we have here is a little sitting chill area. Like
Look at your dad.
here. So yeah. This is our second day here, and I hope you guys try Marriott Hotel. So
Courtyard by
Courtyard
Marriott.
by Marriott Hotel. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and
Actually, we get
I hope you guys see the other videos.
yeah.
I just
We no. I'm trying to say that we got coupon. Oh yes, it's Eli. We celebrate for Eli's birthday, and I got a coupon from Shield that only cost 45 KD per night, no? For deluxe room, no?
Yeah.
With the for one night, no? And then you can use the pool. They also have the saunas, the gym,
They have you can use the different
but kids are not allowed there.
in the gym.
Yeah.
And in the pool.
And that 45 coupon already have a breakfast, right?
Yeah.
But only for 2 adults and 2 kids that is
Below
6
6
years old. So we paid for
Me and Eli, because I'm
my
11
kids'
and
meal.
Eli's 8.
Yes, because they are above 6 years old
Yes,
already.
that
And the breakfast cost 8 KD per person.
Kind of expensive.
Okay.
But I like their food. So.
Yeah, the food is nice. So overall stay for your
Like
second
an
day
8 out of
here.
10.
Yeah.
An 8 out of 10.
It's an
My
8 out of
honest
10.
opinion.
Why 8 out of 10? Ano yung kulang?
Anong kulang?
Yeah, bakit 8 lang?
I mean, like,
Bakit
pool,
hindi
when we
10?
swim earlier, like, pools
Yeah,
dirty.
yeah, pool
There's
is
like-
very nice. Their pool is very nice
But
and
it's dirty.
it's dirty ba? No, it's not.
There's like dates. Ano yung buto ng dates?
No, it's not. Baka yung may ano lang yun. Baka may kumakain lang. But food is not allowed there. But the pool is very nice. Wala ganong nagsuswim na family. So, medyo na solo namin siya. Recommended for 1 night stay. Yeah, but we stayed here for 2 nights and 3 days. So, tomorrow will be our last day.
Yeah.
And we'll be leaving morning. Then we'll go directly to the puppet show tomorrow for Eli's birthday.
Yes.
So how about, oh, you forgot to say they have complimentary.
Do I already showed
Okay,
But I
sorry.
didn't say it. I don't know.
Okay.
But that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you try Courtyard by Marriott's Hotel. So I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Goodbye.
It's worth a try. This hotel is worth a try.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Please support Ate Iya's channel. Bye!